In today's video, we are reviewing Shark Vertex Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This vacuum is a game changer for keeping your home spotless with ease. Before we start, the link to this vacuum cleaner is in the description below at the best price in the market. The Shark Vertex Pro is designed to give the cleaning power of a full-size vacuum, but in a lightweight, cordless form, making it easy for anyone to handle. With its DuoClean PowerFins and self-cleaning brush roll, it picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair efficiently from carpets and hard floors without tangles or constant maintenance. One of the standout features is its up to 120 minutes runtime thanks to 2 removable batteries, so you can clean large areas without stopping. The IQ display provides real-time information about battery life, performance, and more, helping you clean smarter and not guess when it's time to charge. Its multi-flex technology allows the vacuum to bend and reach under furniture or tight spaces easily, while also providing a freestanding storage option that saves space. The removable handheld vacuum transforms the Shark Vertex Pro into a portable cleaning tool for furniture, shelves, and car interiors. HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal make this vacuum ideal for allergy sufferers by trapping dust, pollen, and pet dander, keeping the air in your home clean and healthy. It is perfect for pet owners, busy families, or anyone who wants powerful cleaning without heavy lifting or cords. Users love how it handles multiple floor types seamlessly, including carpets, tiles, and hardwood, giving you a versatile cleaning solution in one machine. In conclusion, the Shark Vertex Pro Cordless Vacuum Cleaner combines power, convenience, and advanced features to make cleaning faster, easier, and more effective. If you are looking for a vacuum that is strong, easy to use, and ideal for pets or allergies, this is a top choice. Check the description below for the best price and grab yours today.